All right, I'm going to show you how to cross-list your kids or your classes. So if I go into my period 1 for semester 2, you can see these students. And then if I go back, I've got my period 3 and it's got its own discrete set of students in it as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make period 1 my master class, and I'm going to make period 3 uh, the child class. So basically what's going to happen when I cross list these is this class will fall under the umbrella of the master class. So this class will basically be merged into the master class. So I pick the child class, I go to settings, and sections, and you'll see it says P3 right here, and I click on that. Then I'm going to cross list this section, and I want to cross list it into my period 1 semester 2 class, and it should come up if you type in the name right, and then you're going to say cross list this section. So when I go back over here, you can now see that P1 master class is here, but the child class is gone because it's been put into this master class. When I go into the master class and I look at people or grades, you can now see that I have a lot of kids in here. So this is going to act like one giant grade book. Now, when you're grading, if you would like to tease these apart and look at them separately, you can apply a filter by section and say, do you just want to look at period 1 or do you want to look at period 3? Like that. And you can see that list gets shorter when I divide them up by sections. And then when you're in this, you will add assignments and everything like you always do. When you are adding assignments, one thing that you can do is you can say, like, I just want to add this assignment for a certain section. So that's one way that you could kind of differentiate your classes if you want them to have different assignments. Now, I named these for your clarity, but when you name your master class, when you're in settings naming your master class, you're going to want to keep in mind that students also see what this is called. So you might want it to say like semester 2 odds or something that's going to make sense for everybody that's looking at it so that nobody's like, well, I'm not in period 1, and there's no confusion there.